You're a good girl, aren't you? Yes, you are. Hey, yes, you are. You're my little helper, aren't you?
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Rebecca and today I'll be showing you guys how to make elderflower cordial. Don't judge my editing, I'm working with what I have at the moment. It's a work in progress. Okay, hope you enjoy the video.
I have my bowl and we have the flowers. Okay, so we have two bushes here. That one is the one you want to pick. That one, not so much. So they're not all out in bloom yet. Ideally, you want them to be looking like this. And when you pick them, try to be gentle. That was not the best example. And then we're going to put them in our bowl here, just like that. See that? And then see that. If you know what you're looking for, there's quite an obvious difference. You don't want the branches. We want the flower. Only the flower. I'll pick some flowers now. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is pick up about 30 really nice looking flowers, but you're going to want to give them a good wash. Just wash off all the bugs and dust and whatnot off them. Okay, so here I have a medium-sized pot, or medium to large size, about 5 litres. You're going to want something about the similar size because this is quite a big recipe. And to that pot you're going to add 2 litres of water, so I'm just measuring that out here. Just going to want to tip that water into the pot like that. Try not to spill it, it sucks when you spill it. And then just put that pot onto the stove. Don't turn the stove on, just leave the pot on there. Okay, so now you're going to want to measure out about 600 grams of white sugar. You could use any sugar substitute, I think. I'm just not sure how it would react, but you could try it. Going to want to add that sugar into the water. And now we're going to add 6 tablespoons of honey into that water. Okay, so now you're going to want to take your whisk and you're going to want to put the stove element onto a medium-high heat, and then you're going to want to whisk it until it's all combined. And if that's taking too long, just turn the heat up. Okay, so now that's all combined, I just want to give it another good whisk and then just let it sit while we prepare the rest of our ingredients. Okay, now you're going to need 4 lemons, a knife and a chopping board. to chop one of those lemons in half for the juice. And now you're just going to juice it straight into the pot. You don't need to worry about any seeds falling in because we're going to strain that out when we strain the whole thing tomorrow. And a little trick that I learned is if you roll the lemon, you can get more juice out of it. So by now your mixture should be nice and hot, so you just want to turn the heat off of it. And now we're just going to zest all of our lemons. I used a potato peeler because I found that to be a wee bit quicker. Okay, so now that we've zested all of our lemons, you're just going to want to tip that straight into the pot. And then slice up the rest of your lemons and then just chuck them into the pot as well. Give that a good mix because we're going to add the elderflowers next. So now you just want to gather up all your elderflowers and then just toss them into the pot. Give that a good mix and then just put the lid straight onto it. And now you're going to want to let it sit for 24 hours so it can steep. Okay, so it's been 24 hours and I've just taken the lid off it and have a sniff. It smells so good, oh my god. And now I've just got a measuring jug lined with a muslin cheesecloth to prevent any of the nasties getting into it. Okay, so now you're going to want to take a scooping device of some sort and just ladle that mixture into the cheesecloth to strain it out. Okay, so now this is when you take any vessel that you've sterilised. I just had some swing top bottles that I've just poured boiling water into. So you're going to empty out the water. Hold on, I'm just trying not to burn my hand real quick. So now we're going to strain the mixture, so just pull the corners together on the cheesecloth and then lift it out of the water. And if you're in a hustle, you can squeeze it, it won't impact the drink at all, but I just let it drip because I was only using one hand.
Now you're going to want to take the funnel and place it into the neck of the bottle so it makes it easier to pour the syrup in. Okay, this next part's optional, but what I done was I poured some of the syrup into a different jug just so it's easier to pour it into the bottle. And there you have it. That is how you make elderflower cordial. Super easy, super simple, tastes really good. Now this can be served with water and ice. Just add the desired amount to some water. And thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Later.